Yo guys, so I basically know it's been a real long time since I uploaded on YouTube, and truth be told, I was actually demotivated. Now you guys have followed me on my journey, the audience of this channel have followed me on my journey to becoming a consistently profitable trainer. And to be honest, you guys might have basically seen that it's been a futile journey. That's there's not been any real progress made along the way at all. It's been a really painful journey, and that was one of the reasons why I decided to take a break from all the noise and everything around me and just focus on something specifically. Now, I started trading two accounts last week, which is my Finotive 5K funding account, and at the same time, a 10K Tradiac account. Now, Tradiac is also a prop firm that reached out to me. They gave me an account, which I'll be trading live with you guys for you to see the various specs that come along the account. So I'm going to be trading these two accounts cumulatively a 15K account, and I'm going to be uploading a weekly series so that you guys can follow me along the journey and see the progress of the account basically. Now the reason why I'm doing this is so that I can be held accountable for every error I do make. The truth is, if I do fail this evaluation, I'm going to go ahead and purchase a second one. But as long as I stick to my rules and all, I think I'm basically good. I think I can basically pass this evaluation account. But yeah, without further ado, today is Monday. I'm going to be trading the New York session. So I've analyzed my chart previously, no setup currently, but I'm still going to get on the chart again to see what the market really has for me. If there's any possible setup, I will enter. If I don't see a setup, then you guys will catch me on Tuesday or probably whenever I see a setup. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the video. Alright guys, so first trade for the day, let's see how this plays out. I'm in on my 5K account with 0.45 lots, and then I'm in with 0.9 lot on my 10K account. So let's just see how this plays out, guys. Alright guys, so basically since the last trade you guys saw me take yesterday, this is my first trade for the day, and today is Tuesday, and currently say, and it's 1:16 p.m. New York time. I went in for sales right here. Initially, I was looking for sales right here, but as you can see, price reacted off of this bearish breakout. Now, this could be a market make a sell model. So I'm going in right here. Now, if price will come all the way up in to this place, I'm still going to be going in for sales. But yeah, let's just see how it plays out. I'm targeting this lows right here. And yeah, let's just see how it plays out, guys. I basically took another loss right here, and yeah, I took a loss right here. Now I'm waiting for to see if price pushes the way up here, then I'll be holding the trade. At the same time, I got in on two entries, which was 0.5% and then 0.25% as I saw price moving in my direction. But yeah, price took me out, so I took a $33 loss on my 5K account, and at the same time, I took a $60 loss on my 10K account. But yeah, let's see how this plays out, guys. Alright guys, so basically it's Wednesday, and the trade which I took yesterday also hit stop loss. Now I made a re-entry, but then cumulatively it all still amounted to a 0.5% risk as I reduced my stop loss. But at the same time, I just got into a trade opportunity. It's London session. So I got into the trade. It's a sell on Euro USD. But yeah, let me just show you guys, and then we'll see how it plays out. Alright guys, so this is basically what it looks like right now. And yeah, let's just say because I'm targeting this lows. At the same time, this this was a stop loss trade which I had. You guys can see I had something stop loss moved below here, so I basically took a reduced loss. But yeah, let's just see how this second trade plays out, guys. Yo, alright guys. So basically today was a good day. Today is a good day, and I was able to get three good winning trades. Now all of these three trades were in the same move, but they were just re-entries. putting our 5K account back at $4,985. So we're just about $13 away from being at break even. So basically, today alone, we're able to do almost about $170 in profit, which is 3.5% in profit, which is great news. Now, on my Tradiac account, I was able to do just roughly about $100 or thereabout. I'm going to show you guys. Now, the reason why it's not as much as the 5K account is due to the leverage. So, leverage prevents me from entering more positions. But yeah, let me just get on the charts and show you what I saw and also to show you my dashboard on the market. Alright, guys, so these were the two trades that got me into profit. But yeah, let me just show you guys what I actually saw on the chart. Now, first off, I got in just right here, which is around the Q zone, the London Q zone. And at the same time, I got out right here. Now, my overall TP was supposed to be here, but I got out just so that I'm not going to have a winning trade reversed against me. So I got out right here, and then I saw the market maker sell model just right here, and I got in on another trade here. Now, let me expatiate on this particular trade. This was where I got in on two entries. So my first entry was just right there at the order block and the fair value gap. And then my second entry was at this second fair value gap. Now, this was a continuation. Looking at what price actually took, we took out buy stops, lower time from buy stops into the area, and then we ran into the fair value gap. So I got in on 0.25%, 0.25% each, and I was able to ride the trade down into this point. Now, price pushed lower, even lower, but I'm so happy about my trade right here. Here is what my dashboard looked like, and as you can see, we're currently sitting at $4,985.70, which means we're just about $14 away from being at break even. And you guys can also see the reversal from here. We were already deep about 4% in drawdown. You can see we're about deep in 4% in drawdown. We're able to remove back up. Now let me show you the Tradiac dashboard. And this is one real truth why I like this Tradiac. As you can see, my overall drawdown is 7K. So I have a 30% drawdown limit, though the target is also 30%, and I'm $444 in a loss, but it is what it is. We'll see how it goes. Also, they have a daily loss of 15%. And yeah, this is what the market looks like for me. Alright, guys, so basically I just entered the position right now, and let me just show you guys what the position is looking like. Alright, guys, so I entered this sales right here, and initially I was looking to get in on sales right here with stop losses above here, and my target was at this level. But at the same time, I'm seeing a bit of the market maker sell model, and I'm getting in just right here, and I'm still targeting the same entry level. But yeah, let's just see how this plays out, guys. I entered it on both of my accounts. Yo, alright, guys, so I basically took a loss on this particular trade. There was a time I was basically up $90 technically, but I didn't close my trade, and also I stopped my position, so I lost $40. I'm going to show you guys how the market actually moved. Now, there's possibility of price still selling, but me personally, it's already 12 p.m. New York session, so I don't want to really be involved in the market. There's still tomorrow to trade, and basically, I want to just preserve my capital. But yeah, let me just show you guys what the chart is looking like. All right, guys. So this is what the market is looking like. As you can see, I showed something, most stop loss here, and then you guys can see price moving in my direction. I stopped multiple positions right here. So when price moved in my direction, I was actually going in good profit, but as you can see, price moved away from me. I also even entered more position even right here, but yeah, I lost $40. I'm going to screenshot it and post it here, but yeah, you guys will see. So you can see $40, lost $40.65, putting my account back into Jordan. Now you guys will be able to see this right here, and you can see the all-time high on this account was $5,073, which was basically 1.5%. But it is what it is. We'll see what the market has for us next time, and yeah, till tomorrow, guys. Alright, guys, take a look at this. Price literally took me out and next time moving in my direction. Now I was expecting price. I expected this, but I had it in mind that there's possibility of price pushing even higher. Now, basically, what happened was the moment price broke below this level with this fast bearish movement, I knew I wanted to get into this position. Now, I went in very, very heavy on this, and I'm hoping this actually plays out nice. If not, then I'll be in some deep and heavy drawdown. But yeah, let's just see how it plays out. I'm targeting the lows. right here, but hopefully it plays out nice, guys. Alright, guys, so I basically adjusted my stop loss in here and I got in on more positions. So I'm in 3 lot on my 5k account. Now I didn't enter the trade on my 10k account, but yeah, let's just say I placed. This basically is a 4 hour trade. So if you place 9, then you should be looking forward for some good profit. Yeah, let's see how it plays out, guys. We're basically running $102 in profit. Let's see how this plays out. Like $9 right now. Let's see if this plays out nicely. So this is the equity and all. Let's see if this plays out. Let me show you guys what the chart is looking at right now. So this is the chart. I know this could still very much reverse against us. If price goes straight to our TP, then we'll pass this evaluation. But let's see. Let's see how much we're currently running right now. Okay, we're running almost 150. Yo, this is a lot. Let's just see, let's just hope this goes straight to TP. We are getting this phase one passed today. Yo, this is dropping massively, guys. Yo, guys. Yo, guys, I'm literally gassed right now. I passed my phase one yesterday. I couldn't record it because I was actually busy with a friend and it was already very, very late by the time I was done with everything I was doing. So I couldn't just record it and I said, okay, let me just wait up until this morning. I'm going to drop a little clip of the trades running because I didn't have an exact clip of when the trade hit my TP. I'm going to drop a clip of it all and you guys will see for yourself. Now, yesterday I told you guys I was going to risk 3%. This is not what I normally do every single time, but there are times when I see a setup which I'm really, really confident about and I don't mind losing on that trade, and then I can go in with as much risk as that. Now, I was already in profits from the previous day, so I was just basically willing to risk profit I've made previously on the challenge. And yeah, it puts me well over the 7.5% profit target for phase one. So I ended the account balance at $5,376.55. It's great news, guys. I know it's just a 5k account, but ever since starting this channel, I've been working towards becoming a consistently profitable trader and also getting funded. I know this is just phase one that I passed. I still have phase two. I still have live funded stage to be able to withdraw from and all. This is just an extra boost of confidence in my own opinion. But yeah, I'm literally gassed right now. I'm going to show you guys clips and of everything over the trade went and also the setup that actually puts me well over the mark. I took a total of it took me 7 days, 6 days technically. I started trading the account last week Friday and I was able to pass yesterday, which was Thursday. So 6 days, 6 days to pass the account. And I'm looking forward to see how the phase two of the evaluation will feel like. And then, yeah, yeah. Now, I have proceeded to the phase two. I requested the risk team because I think that's the way Finoti funding does. I requested the risk team to review my account. And yeah, it's currently being reviewed. So it takes between 1 to 2 business days. So probably by the end of today or probably by Monday, I should I'll get a response from the risk team on the evaluation and then I'll proceed to phase two. But yeah, I'm literally gas. Now concerning my 10k Tradiac account, I was able to make about $117, which is basically 1% on the account with that trade. Now, you guys may ask a simple question: why were you able to pass phase one on your 5K and you're not able to pass on your 10? The truth is, the 5K account has a lot of leverage. I think 1 ratio 200. So that's Finotive gives traders a 1 ratio 200. And then if you go for a pro account, you get as much as a 1 ratio 400. Now, with that 1 ratio 200, I was able to scale into multiple positions. While on the other hand, on my trader, I have very minimal leverage, which is very painful. So I only have a 1 ratio 20 leverage. And that is really a pain in the ass. I ain't gonna lie. But still, it helps you with good risk management and all. The account is currently sitting at somewhere around 9,600. I'm not exactly sure of an accurate number just at the back of my head, but I'm going to still drop a screenshot of what the account looks like. I'm still going to be trading the account steadily. I know I'm not happy that I'm not able to go in with full on leverage and all, but still, it is what it is. I still enjoy trading with Trader. Like they are a firm that I will definitely trade with. But when next I'm probably going to purchase an account to them, I won't go for their maniac account. Their maniac account, which is the account that gives you 30% drawdown and a 30% profit target. It's really, really slow and difficult. So instead, I probably will be going for something like their trader account, which is just a 10% profit target and a 10% max loss and all. So that, in my opinion, is far better when compared with the leverage they offer you. But so far so good. It's been a great one this week. You guys have taken you guys along the journey with me. You guys have seen the ups, the downs, the amount of losses I took, the amount of wins I took. I'm going to go over a little breakdown of what my analytics look like on the phase one. But at the same time, if you still yet to subscribe to this channel or like this video, please do that, because from next week I'll be journaling my phase two journey, and at the same time, if I do get funded, I'm also going to be journaling my progress up until live payout and all. So you guys should please click on that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, like the video, and also drop a comment for the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate. And then let's get straight on my dashboard analytics. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the account. Now it's not, this is a screenshot I took of the account. You can see still the same account number, and here's what the whole thing looks like. You guys can see I actually went into drawdown, then I took a loss once again, just right after I told you guys I was running about $80 in profit, but price took me out at the loss, and this was when I got in on that trade. Now the reason why you guys see this drop is because my account has been reset. I hit the profit target, and yeah, I'm going to drop screenshot of it all. Now here is the whole thing. It doesn't show any of my data, any of my trading data. I believe because I actually set the account. But you guys can see account in review. Your account is currently in review. We will email you once the review has been processed. Now, here's the trade journal, and these were the trades that got me well above. You guys can see I made $307, $65, and then $59. Now, my previous set of trades, this it's a loss and all. But yeah, it's cool. And this was a trade that got me well into profit, guys. Let me show that. Yeah, right here. All right. So you guys can see now my overall stops on this particular on the initial trade I got in right here was just above this high, and then price just went above it after I moved on my stop loss to just above this high. Price went above it, swept the high, and we saw price break aggressively to the downside. Price went back into this fair value gap, not fully tapped it, but I got in on up close, this set of up close candle, and I was able to target just right there. Now this particular point was the one of the most tricky aspect, because when you are so close to passing an evaluation and then price start moving up, it feels somehow, it feels some kind of way. But yeah, this was just before I entered. This was just when I entered the trade, so that you guys can see. It was when I entered the trade, and then this was my target. But yeah, it went really great. I'm really happy about it all. Number of trades placed 27, lots traded 12.43, and number of wins were 8, number of losses were 19. Now, if you guys remember, I actually went on tilt the first day I actually got this account, hence the reason why I had so much losses and wins. And also, I go into multiple positions. They might be I might be risking 1%, but at the same time, on each particular position, I'm risking just 0.01, 0.01, and all that. So, hence making my number of losses far larger than my number of wins. At the same time, my average win is 78, basically $80, and then my average loss is $13. So, which basically is almost a 6 hour. Yeah, it's basically about 6 hour or thereabout. Then largest win 72, largest loss unknown. Then at the same time, we'll have the average. Okay, my win rate was 29%, which is not still bad for a 6 hour average on every of my position. It's not a bad one. But at the same time, this number should be higher. It should be in at least about 35%, if I'm not mistaken. And then account age, it's 7 days. Now it was supposed to be 6 days, but today being added to the whole thing makes it 7 days. So it's it was expected to be 6 days, but that's all that is being shown right here, and nothing else is being shown apart from this accounting review. I'm still here to receive an update on the account, so probably tomorrow, today or Monday. So yeah, guys, with all that being said, please click the subscribe button, turn your notification bell so you don't miss out when I upload a new set of series, funding series and all. This has been a really long and interesting journey, and yeah, hopefully this can motivate a little a few of my audiences that no matter how many evaluations you lose, you can still get a few past. So doesn't really make sense, but yeah, you guys understand what I mean. So also please drop a comment. I really appreciate all of the support I'm getting on YouTube. And without further ado, I'll see you guys once I start trading on phase 2. Peace out, guys.